Hello! To change keyboard theme on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into your settings, then scroll all the way down and go into additional settings. Now you have to go into languages and input, and as you can see right now, the current keyboard that we have enabled is the Gboard, as you can see. So let's go into manage keyboards and let's go into the Gboard. And now we have the theme options right here, and you can find here a lot of different themes. Some landscapes, as you can see, light gradient, dark gradient. There is a lot of different themes. Some regular colors. You can also set up your own theme. From your pictures you can select a picture for your theme, press next. You can adjust brightness for the picture, and basically that's it. You can also turn off or on, you can toggle the key borders, you can apply it, and basically now there's your theme. And to change it, you simply press on one theme and apply. So basically that's how you do it. Simple as that. So thank you for watching and please subscribe.